Insect protein is a reality. Legislation is not. At the recent Mexico Food Tech Expo last fall, I presented a session on the use of insects in our food supply. Afterwards, an insect farmer from Chile introduced himself and proceeded to show me scores of the insects that he was raising for human consumption, both as whole insects and as ingredient in other foods. He also shared the biggest issue that he faces is a lack of regulation and food safety standards for his livestock across the globe. Looks like that's about to change. A new set of EU rules that aims to create insect for human consumption standards came into force on January 1st. The goal is that common rules across the EU should enable insect farmers to scale up and change an industry that is thought of as creepy crawly and finally be taken seriously and grow to its potential. In both our 2017 and 2018 trends forecasts, we continue to underscore the need and opportunity for this resource to help lower the cost and environmental impact of protein on the planet. The new regulation now explicitly covers whole insects and ensures that the EU Commission will handle insect food applications directly, with the European Food Safety Authority advising. Until now, it was unclear whether producers could market whole insects for human consumption, rather than just insect wings, for example. Christophe Darien, the Secretary General of the International Platform of Insects for Food and Feed, who knew, a lobbying organization, agreed that the new rules will help. This will definitely boost the sector, he says, adding that Europe has a number of companies poised to expand production as a result of these changes. The IPIFF argues that bugs can, on average, convert 2 kilograms of feed into 1 kilogram of body mass, whereas cows require 8 kilograms of feed to do the same thing. Insects also emit fewer greenhouse gases or ammonia than cattle or pigs and are highly nutritious to boot, marking them as a suitable candidate for feeding a world population that's destined to reach 9 billion by 2050, according to the UN's Food and Agriculture Organization. Heidi de Bruin, chief executive of Dutch insect producer Prodefarm, that mostly reared insects for animal feed since 1980s, told Politico that consumers are keen on bug food for health and environmental reasons. It's the nutritional benefits, low sugar, low salt, and the sustainability factor, she says. Insects have a natural vitamins and minerals. They're rich in calcium, high in iron, antibiotic-free, and chemical-free. She says we'll see a drastic move now.